Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode. In this one, we are looking at a 6-cent stock which really does have some long-term potential to see big explosive growth. On top of that, in the next 2 to 5 days, we do have quite a big catalyst coming up with this stock, which really could send the share price going into the sky even more so if we do see more good stuff come out with these results, which I'm about to talk about in just a second. But yeah guys, if you are new to the channel, thank you for joining us. If you've seen the channel before, you'll know how much I enjoy talking about Gaxy next generation stock, because I do believe it has a lot of long-term potential. Well, in this episode we're talking about why, so if it sounds like a plan, if it's something that you might enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We are trying to get as many subscribers as possible, so a big thank you for everyone who has subscribed so far. Let's keep it going. And with that being said, of course I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. But with that being said, we're going to jump straight into the episode. So yes guys, to sum it up in a very simple way, Gaxy Next Generation is a stock which works in the schooling sector. They help to provide the future generation with technology which really will advance their education. They do this through online education, and of course with what we are seeing right now with the pandemic, this is quite a crucial market sector because a lot of the children aren't going to school because they will be spreading the virus if they were to do that. Now this has left a big hole in the market because a lot of different schools are looking for an appropriate online education platform, and that is where a company like Gaxy comes in and sweeps up a lot of new customers, and that actually has been happening throughout the pandemic. We've talked about multiple different schools which this company does now have contracts with. I think this really is going to show in their earnings, and of course that is realistically the big catalyst for this one going forwards. So of course, as of current, if I do quickly check my phone, the date is the 13th, the earnings are coming out on the 16th, so tomorrow is the 14th, so that's Sunday anyway, Monday is the 15th, so Tuesday is the day of the earnings apparently, and of course a lot of good stuff will hopefully be in these upcoming earnings, and I do really think a lot of good stuff will be helping this company going forwards if these earnings are positive, because a lot of people are already optimistic on this one. There is another catalyst which could explode this stock going forwards as well, but I think this earnings call is going to be a very crucial thing looking towards the future, because it will just show how much money this company is making due to, picking up a lot of new contracts recently with a lot of different schools. And of course guys, on top of that, if you have been watching the stock over the past week or so, you'll know that this one has seen quite a lot of big growth in share price by up to 110%. So you've seen a lot of growth in the past week, and I think this one does have potential to honestly hit $1 in the next 1 to 2 years, if not even higher than that. So that sounds like a very big estimate guys, but personally I do believe in this stock. I already have over 10,000 shares, maybe even about 15,000 if I could double check that one. I'll hopefully put a screenshot on screen right now. But yeah guys, I think this one does have some big potential, and I definitely want to add more to my position, and I will be doing that as and when possible. But this one does have a lot of potential in my personal eyes, as I can see the share price exploding if these earnings are positive, and more stably guys, on a more long-term path, I think this one is bound to increase as a lot more schools do pick this one up. The fundamentals of this company, in my opinion at least, are fantastic, and I can see this really starting to reflect in the share price going forwards. I think at 2 cents where it was previously, this share value was really undervalued. I think going forwards it is still pretty undervalued. I think it does have a lot more room to hit 10 cents for sure, and definitely continue to grow after that. So guys, Gaxy, in my personal view, is more of a long-term stable growth stock, and I think it really is going to start to pick up now. On top of this catalyst of the earnings in just a few days, we also have the new chief operating officer called Bill Brinkman, and we've talked about him before. He obviously has a lot of very interesting stuff going for him when it comes to helping the company. He's got more than 30 years experience, I do believe, and of course he does a lot of stuff in the company. You can read many different articles on that one if you want to, or at least just watch a previous episode, because we did talk about what this is going to bring to the table. But yeah guys, this really is going to help the company going forwards, as a man with so much experience in his field is going to help this company to grow, in my personal opinion. I think now we are definitely on the growth with Gaxy. I think a lot of people are starting to get a lot more awareness towards this one, especially after it did explode in share price only a few days ago. And I think subsequently we're going to see this one start to increase slowly but surely going forwards. And like I said, on that 16th, the earnings really could help the stock price to go even higher into the sky, passing $10, 10 cents, hopefully around the date of the earnings. If it passes 10 cents on the day of the earnings, I think that will be fantastic, because this one has seen a lot of explosive growth so far, and I do anticipate a lot more going forwards. So guys, tell me what you think to Gaxy Next Generations in the comment section. Tomorrow, hopefully, or at least on Monday, we're giving a bit of a forecast into where I see this one going in the next week, and we will keep you updated as soon as those earnings do come out. So thank you for watching this short episode. If you enjoyed, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.